Thinking of owning a luxurious standalone villas in Dubai, a more stylish and family-friendly environment? Hi everyone, my name is Bilal Sleem. I am a community specialist in Arabian Ranches 3. Today in this video, we're going to discuss about one of the most premium villa cluster in Arabian Ranches 3, which is called Elie Saab. A stunning collaboration with Emaar, an iconic fashion designer, which is called Elie Saab. Back in 2022, when Emaar launched these Elie Saab villas with having a spacious layouts, modern facades, this community is divided into two sub-clusters, Elie Saab 1 and Elie Saab 2. If you see Elie Saab 1 having a 129 4 and 5 bedroom spacious standalone villas, Elie Saab 2 having a 131 4 and 5 bedroom standalone villas. If you see the payment plan at that time, Emaar gives the payment plan 75-25 for Elie Saab 2 and 70-30 for Elie Saab 1. Now we see the prices and appreciation. Back in 2022, 4 bedroom villas were launched at 4.7 million with 4,800 to 5,000 square feet plot size, having a built up area of 4,133 square feet. If you see the 5 bedroom launched at 6.2 million with having a plot size of 6,500 square feet, and if you see the built up area of 5 bedroom villas are 4,900 and up to 5,000 square feet. Fast forward today in 2025, these villas are going to be handed over at the end of this year. If we see the prices of 4 bedroom villas, right now the sellers are demanding 7.3 to 7.5 million for 4 bedroom, and 5 bedroom villas sellers are demanding 9.4 to 9.6 million. It shows a massive capital appreciation. What makes these Elie Saab villas so special? If you see in the master plan, most of the villas are facing the central park of the community, and Elie Saab villas having a beautiful amenities like kids play area, family friendly environments. Resident of Elie Saab also access to the swimming pool, clubhouse, sports courts, cycling track and green walking trails. These are not just the villas, these are lifestyle. So what is the suggestions for the sellers and buyers? For sellers, you are sitting on an excellent capital gains. Right now, you're having an opportunity to sell your villa on cash. If you can wait for at the time of handover, you can find more buyer, but they are mortgage buyer. So what is the suggestion for buyers? If you are seriously looking for a spacious premium villa in Arabian Ranches 3, so these villas are one of the best option for you. I am Bilal Sleem, a community specialist in Arabian Ranches 3. Either you are buying, selling or renting, I have got the expertise to guide you. Signing off right now. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.